Hey everybody, I'm Trig.
And I'm Leslie, and we're Buckeye Drifters.
If you're new to our channel, we are a retired couple from Ohio. We sold our house in 2018 and moved into our motorhome, and we live full-time in our RV. Our passion is national parks, and we've been to 17 of those so far. We just love the adventure that the parks afford us. Now, we see a lot of other things along the way, but national parks, they are our focus. And the thing that we enjoy doing the most at the parks, as you can imagine, is hiking. So if you enjoy hiking, we think maybe our channel has a lot to offer for you. In this video, we go to Acadia National Park and we hike two of the most popular hikes at that park. They're called Precipice and Beehive. They're a little on the strenuous side, so they gave us a challenge, but we thoroughly enjoyed those. So after watching the video, if you have any questions or comments about the park or about anything related to full-time RVing, please leave those in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Without any further ado, here are the hikes. Alright, this is one of the trails we most look forward to hiking here. It's called Precipice Trail, and it's rated as strenuous. As you can see here, it's got some pretty challenging aspects to it. They say no children, and if you're afraid of heights, don't try it. So here's the first set of rings or ladders. They test you out, and if you can get up this, then you should be able to keep going. Hold on tight. No. No.
Where?
Can you put your foot on the ring, or is it too high up?
No, the ring, there's only one.
Right here.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Now get your foot, get your toe in there.
These rungs are kind of slippery. What do you think so far?
A lot of fun. I'm glad it's cool. It's about 55 degrees when we started off today. And I'm glad it's that cool, because if it was a hot day, we'd be pretty sweaty right now. Well, we're making our way up. As rocky and somewhat treacherous as this has been, we haven't even got to the hard part yet.
Tight squeeze.
put your foot up against the metal down on the bottom. That'll keep you from sliding. That's what that's for. Concentrate. Two hands. My turn. I'm coming. Did this freak you out?
Yeah. There's that one ring broke.
Yeah, there's a broken one there. Yeah. Yeah. Careful. Take your time. It's not a race.
That other one was scary, don't you think?
Yeah. Lean forward. Two hands. I'll be glad to get off this mountain. You do too many of these, sooner or later,
I know.
you could
You're like, okay, mine borrowed.
have a bad experience. Oh, here's another one. Let me get you on this, Leslie.
You want to walk on that ledge and record? Boy, that's beautiful. We haven't even reached the summit yet.
There's our parking lot down there. Oh yeah. How'd you like that?
Okay, that 2 places that's been super duper scary.
That was pretty exposed.
Yes.
This is awesome. Yeah, I see a rail right there. No. Oh.
Sure.
Time for a selfie. Things have flattened out for us. We're getting close. I would never want to go down what we just came up. Way more treacherous going down. Well, we made it to the top. That was, I would say that is the most treacherous hike we've done. Probably not quite the scariest. Hidden Canyon at Zion, where we walked around that ledge, was probably a little more frightening for me. But this one, you had to really make sure where your feet were, where your hands were. And the wetness of the rocks made it extremely slippery in certain spots. So
that's the part I didn't like.
By far, this one was the most treacherous, but it was extremely enjoyable.
Very satisfying to do.
Yeah.
Glad we did it.
Yep. Okay. I'm recording, so. You ready?
Yep.
Well, today is another day of adventure hiking. So yesterday we climbed Precipice, and that is rated as the #1 adventure hike at Acadia. The #2 adventure hike is Beehive Trail. So that's what we're going to do today. As you can tell, today is gorgeous out. It's another cool morning. We woke up to about 44 degrees. I think it's already heated up to about 50. Today's high is going to be maybe low 60s, but we're looking forward to climbing the Beehive Trail. Yeah, just keep going for now. Be careful. Okay. Don't be in a hurry.
I'm not. That's why I kind of like.
We get a place where we can pull off. We can if you want. I don't know.
Keep going. Want me to keep going?
Sure. Okay, stop once you get there. Huh? How you doing?
Huh?
How you doing?
Fine.
No. Maybe when you get to the very top, you can look back over. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm just trying to get my nerve up.
There's a bar right up on top of this rock. Yeah. Morning. Morning. What'd you think?
That was pretty cool. I'm going to Precipice first, though,
Yeah.
and then this.
Yeah. Well, we made it. Another hike complete.
Yes.
Well, I can't say complete because we're on top of the mountain and we can't just stay up here. We're going to have to go back down. But you don't go back down the same way. And I'm not sure how we're going to go yet. We need to pull out a trail map and see how to get back. But I'm sure it's not nearly as treacherous as what it was to get up here. A lot of fun.
Really short. It wasn't like Precipice, so it's a lot shorter.
Yeah, a lot shorter, but still probably every bit as much fun. And like I said earlier, it's just a gorgeous day today.
It is.